Good morning, my loving children. In the last class, we learned about nouns, and now you all already know the definition of noun. Tell me, what's a noun? Yes, a noun is a name of a person, place, idea, thing, or animal. Okay, correct. Then today let us learn about subjective pronouns. So what are pronouns? See, pronouns stand instead of a noun. And we call these pronouns subjective pronouns because they act as a subject in a sentence. Pronouns act as a subject in a sentence. That's why we call it subjective pronouns. Okay. And there are 7 pronouns in English. How many pronouns are there? 7 pronouns in English. And let us get introduced to each of them. The first one is I. You already know it. I means I, me, Ragesh. My name is Ragesh. Instead of me, we can use I. For example, I am coming. When we say I am coming, Ragesh is coming. This Ragesh is coming. I am coming. So Ragesh means I. Okay. Then next one is he. He stands for a man or a boy. He stands for a man or a boy. Then she stands for a woman or a girl. She stands for a woman or a girl. Then it stands for a place like Srikakulam. We can say it. Srikakulam is a nice place. It is a nice place. So it stands for Srikakulam. Or then it can stand for an animal like dog. Dog is a pet. It is a pet. Instead of dog, it we can use. And it can also be used for a thing like chair. This is my chair. It is my chair. Then you means you the people. To whom I speak to. You may be one person or more than one persons. You. Sometimes there will be only one person. Sometimes there are more than one persons. You. Then we means the other people and I. Together. The other people and I. We can say we. Here more than one persons are there. Always we. More than one persons. Then they means those people. More than one persons. Then they means those people. So these are the pronouns in English. And you can get more understanding about these pronouns through some examples given here. Okay, let us go through each example so that you will get a clear picture about pronouns. The first one is Shiva sings. What is here? Shiva sings. So instead of Shiva, we can use which one from these pronouns? Shiva. That person. Shiva means he. Shiva is a boy or Shiva is a man. So we used he. Shiva sings. You can say he sings. Okay. Then Divya runs. That girl runs. Divya Divya is a girl or a woman. So we have to use, instead of Divya there, she. She runs. She runs. Clear now? The next one. See here. Shiva and Divya are friends. Shiva and Divya are friends. Two members are there. Shiva and Divya. This Shiva and this Divya. Both are friends. Both are friends. So what we can say? Two members are there. Those two members. Then what we have to say? Yes, correct. They are friends. They are friends. Next, Gundur is a city. Gundur is a city. Yes, we told once Srigakulam, about Srigakulam. Which pronoun we have to use? Yes, there you said it. It is a city. For Gundur we can say it. It is a city. Then the last one. My children and I like ice creams. My children and I like ice creams. Which one we can use here? My children and I. More than one person. So what we have to use? We. Yes. We like ice creams. We like ice creams. Okay. So I think you have got a clear picture about these pronouns. Okay. And when you get any doubt, please let me know, so that I will try my level best to clarify that. Then there will be a worksheet regarding this, and that will be sent afterwards, and you have to practice keeping that worksheet at home. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and bye.